Hello and welcome to Dubai Hills Estate, where today we're going to be showing you this magnificent mansion. I'm Gary from Strada, also known as Mr. Dubai Hills, and we're here today with Michael, the listing agent, to tell us more.
I'm bringing this property on the market today at 47 million dirham. It's a 5-bedroom mansion plus study offering full Burj Khalifa views. It has an 18,000 built up area. Are you ready? Let's go.
In fact, this property was built by a British family, and in the UK, the kitchen is the heart of the home. As you can see here, we have a completely open plan kitchen with a breakfast area and even a lounge area. It comes completely fitted out with Miele appliances, and this cooker tap means you're never too far away from that cup of tea.
This property took 3 years to build. A lot of that was done at the design stage. With 6-meter height ceilings and a lot of natural sunlight, it takes full advantage of the 18,000 built up area. And this is the master suite. It's honestly one of the best I have been in. It takes up half of the first floor. It has a spa-like ensuite, a his and hers walk-in wardrobe, and what's better than waking up at this view?
And now on to the basement, where the current owner has left the new buyer their opportunity to put their stamp on this amazing property. You've got enough space down here for the gym, 6 cars using the car lift. You've already got a fully fitted out kitchen and a lift. I would recommend maybe using this space as a games room for the children.
The mansion is sitting on an elevated plot, bringing you exclusive privacy to your next home.
The garden is fully landscaped, offering tropical vibes. It has a children's play area, a fully functioning bar, and a 28-meter swimming pool. So there we have it, an amazing property, I'm sure you'll agree, and a great listing. If you've got any interest in this property and you're looking in Dubai Hills, don't hesitate to get in contact. Long as I filming that one.
Yeah, shall we go have a pint at the golf club?
Yeah, go on.